Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Robux with an Apple gift card. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you will have to do is actually open up your iPhone, and the reason why we're doing that is because we're going to have to go over to the App Store in order to redeem our Apple gift card. So if you head over to the Apple App Store, if you go on the home page and scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is actually an option that says redeem. We're just going to go ahead and click that redeem button. From here, you'll see a page like this, and it will say redeem your gift card using your iPhone's camera, or you can also enter the code manually if you'd rather do that. However, I do recommend using the iPhone's camera because it will save you a lot of time and it will ensure that you don't make any errors if you were typing it manually. So you just want to click use camera, and from there it will give you some on-screen instructions on how to actually redeem your gift card. And then once you have actually redeemed that gift card, we can head over to Roblox and then open up the Robux section where we can actually buy Robux packages. Now from here we want to choose which package we want to buy, and it's also important to note that we want to choose one that is within our budget, because if our Apple gift card was only for $10, we want to choose $9.99 at a maximum, because if we go above that, because it will mean we won't have enough money in our account. So you have to choose the amount that fits the balance you have. So all you have to do is click this Robux button on screen. And then from there, one of the payment options will say either Apple Pay or Apple Balance. You just want to click on one of those options. And from there, that will allow you to buy Robux with your Apple Balance, which we got from redeeming our Apple gift card. So that's exactly how you can buy Robux with an Apple gift card. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.